During the trial, the jury in Johnny Depp's defamation case against Amber Heard learned from the pre-recorded deposition of Terrence Doherty, Chief Operating Officer and General Counsel of the American Civil Liberties Union, the ACLU, that Heard had donated less than half of the amount that she pledged, $1.3 million of the $3.5 million that she said she would donate to the organization after her $7 million divorce settlement with Depp. Heard published a statement in 2016 stating that she intended to donate the money to two charities, the ACLU and Children's Hospital Los Angeles. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at Johnny reacting to his legal team settling for only $1 million with Amber Heard. Yeah, you heard it right. As described in the restraining order and divorce settlement, money played no role for me personally and never has, except to the extent that I could donate it to charity and in doing so, hopefully help those less able to defend themselves, she said at the time, adding, as reported in the media, the amount received in the divorce was $7 million, and $7 million is being donated. This is over and above any funds that I've given away in the past, and will continue to give away in the future. According to Doherty, the last payment was made in 2018, and when the ACLU reached out to Heard in 2019 about the next installment, Doherty said, "We learned that she was having financial difficulties." Whether or not she's donated the full settlement has been a particular sticking point for Depp's team in this trial, as well as during the appeal of the UK trial. Her failure to complete payment is offered as a blight on her credibility, an example of her striving for good PR, which Depp's team argues she doesn't deserve. In the UK, Depp's lawyer, Andrew Caldicott, attempted to appeal the verdict after the team learned of the truncated payments to the ACLU. Caldicott argued that the alleged lie sent a potentially subliminal message to the judge who decided the case, and strengthened Heard's credit in an exceptional way. Caldicott added that it was a calculated and manipulative lie, designed to achieve a potent favorable impression from the outset. The judges hearing the appeal wrote, "We do not accept that there is any ground for believing that the judge may have been influenced by any such general perception as Mr. Caldicott relies on. In the first place, he does not refer to her charitable donation at all in the context of his central findings," Elaine Bredehoff, who's currently representing the actors in the US, said during a hearing in July. Heard has always said that she fully intends to continue to give the full $7 million, but she can't do it yet. She will do it when she can, but she is given a significant amount. Doherty's testimony also revealed that the ACLU lawyers reviewed the 2018 Washington Post op-ed at the heart of the case multiple times, asking Heard's lawyers to review it as well so that they could make sure it wouldn't conflict with the non-disclosure agreement that she had with Depp. According to Doherty, Heard pushed to include more details of her relationship with Depp. The published piece does not name Depp. Initial drafts of the op-ed were not shared, but per an email with Jessica White, an ACLU employee who worked with Heard returned a lawyer-approved edit that specifically neutered much of the copy regarding her marriage. By October 2018, Heard had received the full settlement amount. She testified Monday in Depp's defamation trial against her. She also said in a media interview at around the same time that she'd already donated the funds, but an ACLU executive testified earlier in the trial that the organization never received the full $3.5 million that it was promised, and that about half the donations it received in Heard's name came from Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO of Tesla who dated Heard after her breakup with Depp. Heard said on the stand on Monday that she still planned to donate all the money she promised, but that Depp's lawsuit, which demands up to $50 million in damages, got in the way. "I still fully intend on honoring all my pledges," Heard said. "I would love him to stop suing me so I can." In April, Terrence Doherty, General Counsel and Chief Operating Officer of the ACLU, testified in the ongoing trial that $1.3 million had been donated in Heard's name overall, with $350,000 directly from her and $100,000 from Depp and $500,000 from Musk in her name. Doherty showed the jury a pledge form, unsigned by Heard, laying out how Heard could pay the full $3.5 million over 10 years. Depp's lawsuit, filed in 2019, accuses Heard of ruining his reputation and career by saying in a 2018 Washington Post op-ed article that she had been the victim of domestic violence. Heard has denied Depp's defamation allegations and filed a $100 million counterclaim, saying that he physically assaulted her before and during their marriage. So that's all from today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.